Now, the other good thing with the sync system is if you go to your iTunes, I'll just turn that down there. Let's see. Right, okay, tremolos, blast from the past there. If you just check there, sync is highlighted, there's a tick next to it. If it's not, then just touch it, and over here to auxiliary, that's showing straight away the Bluetooth audio. But if not, it may be you've got a USB plugged in or something like that. So
No USB device.
You just click auxiliary until you see Bluetooth. There you go. And if I turn that up, just that's it. That's it playing. That's how you do it.